Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, thank you very much for dropping by. My name is Michelle. I actually do a lot of makeup and beauty reviews, makeup and beauty hauls, makeup and beauty tutorials, makeup and beauty tips. If you guys wanted to learn and save some money, please consider in subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Guys, I'm gonna be sharing with you thoughts and review on this particular product, guys, from IT Cosmetics. I've actually tested this product out for you guys. If you guys are actually interested in finding out what my thoughts and review, in that way you'll be able to save some money on this product here from IT Cosmetics. Please keep on watching. The IT Cosmetics product range, guys. This is the Your Skin But Better CC Plus, and this is an oil-free matte foundation. It actually delivers 7 benefits in one. This is what they are claiming. It has a full coverage matte foundation. It has an SPF 40, which is the physical sunscreen. It has a brightening and also color corrects, and it's a hydrating, minimizes look of pores, conceals dark spots and signs of aging. This is actually 32 mils, guys, and this is actually available in Sephora. So in Sephora in Australia, this is actually retail for $63, and it actually available in 14 shades, and the US is actually retail for $39.50, and they actually do have 12 shades available. So the medium shade that I picked, guys, it actually has 12 months to use, guys, from the day that you've started using it. Take this with you anywhere, guys, because it actually got a very slim tube, and when you open it, it actually come in a pump, guys. Easy to use, has a thick formula, guys. So if you can see, and then when I swatch it, so it actually got a it has a very smooth and it actually also easy to blend using your finger, guys. It also doesn't have any fragrance. With you now, guys, on the screen, see, guys, I've started applying first using the kabuki brush. So as you can see the difference between one side of my face, it actually did giving me that full matte coverage, guys. And that now on the other side of my face using a sponge, so with the equal amount of pump. So I've actually used one pump of each side of my face. They do give the same result, either you apply it by brush or by sponge, guys. Okay, as long as you know, making sure that you really squeeze all the excess water from your sponge. Oil-free matte CC Plus foundation. It actually still giving me that the healthy glowy skin. You know, you're looking for, it's not gonna look like, you know, too matte. If you've got oily skin and if you've got combination skin, it's very important that you need to set your T-zone area and which part of your face actually gets very oily. That's to set it with a translucent powder. Full face application now on my face, guys. It certainly did help to minimize my pores. It's definitely giving me a full matte coverage, and it also color corrects, because it actually did help to cover up my dark circles under my eyes. It definitely hydrates my skin. It definitely brightening my skin, because it's actually giving me that like a glow and hydrating results on my face. So yeah, it's actually making my face look younger too, guys. Definitely easy to apply, guys. It actually blends really well on your skin. It definitely lasted whole day on my face. If you're looking for a new CC cream and you know, you actually don't you don't like wearing foundation every day, and you know, if you got a combination and oily skin, I highly recommend it for you guys to try this It Cosmetics, the CC Plus Oil Free Matte. Actually help you out in today's video, guys, and please comment down below, guys, if you've actually used this product before and what video you want to watch next. So much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.